Find or read reviews that people are talking about Miesebe laptop screen extender, 14-inch. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 14-inch FHD laptop screen extender with crisp visuals. Miesebe screen extender features an IPS panel with 1080p Full HD, 1920x1080 resolution, a 16:9 aspect ratio, 72% sRGB color gamut, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, delivering vivid, true-to-life colors and wide viewing angle. With 300 nits brightness and a 60 Hz refresh rate, this laptop monitor extender provides clear, smooth visuals both indoors and in moderate daylight. Its eye-care technology reduces blue light and flicker for comfortable viewing. Ideal as an extended monitor for laptop, an extra screen for laptop, or multi-screen laptop attachment for work and entertainment. Make work easier and boost productivity 200%. Miesebe laptop extender supports extended, mirrored, and portrait modes, transforming your laptop into a dual-monitor workstation. Say goodbye to constantly switching between tabs and managing multiple windows on a single screen. This laptop extended monitor helps you handle multitasking with ease. Keep your main work on one screen and emails, research, or communication tools on the other. The laptop dual-screen monitor improves your efficiency wherever you are, whether working from home, traveling, in meetings, or in a mobile office. Plug and play in seconds, no drivers. This laptop extra monitor requires no drivers and no software installation. Simply connect and go. It's secure for work and safe for your privacy. The laptop monitor extension is designed to run off a single USB-C cable or two cables, USB plus HDMI, instantly creating a full productivity workstation. Start working, streaming, or creating anywhere, anytime. Miesebe laptop double screen is a practical tool to make your workflow more efficient and unleash your full potential. Versatile compatibility and seamless performance. Miesebe second monitor for laptop works seamlessly with laptops ranging from 13 to 17.3 inch. The laptop dual monitor supports operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and can be connected to MacBooks, phones, tablets, mini PC, and gaming consoles, Switch, PS5, Xbox. It's the perfect dual laptop screen extender for professionals and gamers. 226 degrees rotatable screen and adjustable kickstand. The portable screen extender features a 226 degrees rotatable screen for flexible viewing. You can turn it to face colleagues and clients during presentations, or fold it inward for a compact setup or private work. With 90 degrees tilt adjustable kickstand, you can adjust laptop additional screen to find the perfect viewing angle. The mounting clamp attaches securely to your laptop and holds the monitor firmly in place, with no wobbling or slipping. Plus, with built-in speaker, this laptop screen extender delivers a seamless all-in-one experience for both your eyes and ears. Ultra-thin attachable monitor for laptop. Weighing just 1.87 pounds with a slim 0.27-inch screen, this laptop extra screen easily fits into a backpack, making it convenient for home office, remote work, and business trip. Miesebe laptop travel monitor is well suited for coding, data analysis, design, and gaming. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.